Salam family, this is Unity and I'm here to do a Unity moment. Okay, it's three different things I want to discuss, y'all. This is going to be a quick Unity moment. I got some beautiful videos coming up for y'all, some DIYs. Y'all going to be excited about them because you know we at home, which I work from home, and I give thanks to the God in me and gods of the universe that I'm still getting supported. But let me just tell y'all this. There was a bug going around, like a hacker going around on YouTube. And it would leave comments like, you're awesome, you're great. It left that on my channel. By me being on YouTube since 07, I noticed the bug. I could tell when it's a bug. And what the bug does, a comment to your videos, leave like, wow, you're amazing. Wow, you're this. Wow, you're that. And if you feed to the bug will contact you and say, you should have more subscribers. I can help you get more subscribers. And it mainly wants you to do something or pay for subscribers. So that's one thing you got to be careful about when you're a YouTuber. Be really careful about bugs coming through buying subscribers. Because even if you get to 1,000 subscribers, once you get to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, what it does, you have the opportunity to go into partnership. That's something they started like 2 years ago. Before then, YouTube has a long history of doing different things. But if YouTube find out that the subscribers are not your real subscribers, what it does, you won't be eligible for partnership because the hacker usually give you fake subscribers. It just wants you to get your money. So it leave comments. It came to my page last week. It will leave comments, and when I noticed what it was doing, I blocked it. Because when you go to the page, it's like a white guy, and it say he got 200 and something thousand subscribers, 200 and something K subscribers, and it's not him. It's just a person that's on there trying to get money. I'm pretty sure if y'all been on social media for a long time, y'all done got those emails saying, I could get you 1,000 subscribers. I could get you this many subscribers. Pay this much. Pay this much. But the thing about YouTube going in partnership, if they find out, then they could delete your whole channel. Also, when the hacker comes, what he does, he will get your money and then he'll leave from the channel. Like you can't, like when you go to his comment, he'll be gone. So that's what they do. So people have to be you have to be really, really careful if you start and want to do a YouTube channel. Just get your subscribers honestly. It shows integrity. It don't shows that you're a manipulator, deceiver, trying to show people that you got all these subscribers overnight. So be very careful about that. All right, y'all. So I just wanted to share that with y'all. All right. Another thing I want to tell people that that's on YouTube and you want to go to a website that you can that's a really dope website. I've been telling a couple of sisters over the years about it. It's called Big Cartel. And the reason I want to share Big Cartel with y'all is because Big Cartel really helped when soon as the Corona thing came along. Big Cartel gave they sent an email, and I'm gonna put a shot over here of the email. They sent an email saying we was granted $50,000. We can help some of the people that have shops on Big Cartel. We was granted that, and then you fill out like 4 different questions. Say how much money that you would like to get, and they had food, they had art supplies, different things. I filled it out on March 31st. By April 2nd or April 1st, I have the information I shared with y'all. Guess what? Big Cartel put money in my PayPal account. And then you don't have to pay it back. Because I got a loan from PayPal some years ago, and they took 20% out of each of my sales. It was nothing like that. It was literally helping. So if you starting making anything, starting a business, go to bigcartel.com and open you a shop. They even have up the ante on the items. They have a free one, which I think you can get 5. You might can get more now. Listings. They have a $10 one, and then now they have a $20 one and a $30 one. The $20 one, you can have over 250 listings for $20 a month. Because a lot of people run to Etsy, but Etsy is very, very expensive. So that was something I wanted to share with y'all. So those 2 things I wanted to share with y'all. Y'all be careful about buying subscribers on YouTube, because it can mess your whole channel up. And also, if you in business and you're looking for a website, because I know it's a lot of people on YouTube, that I do Black Business Spotlights, they looking for websites, reasonable websites. Big Cartel is the website. I'm not getting paid for saying this. I've been with Big Cartel since probably when they started, and then I always had it, and then I used it again in 2015. So that's what my K.Noir Designs website is at. So y'all go check that site out. If you want to start a business, Big Cartel is one that you should do, because they are loyal to the people that support them. All right. Salam, salam.